is really messing with my feels today. You know, I woke up in a good mood, ready to start the day off looking cute as hell. But then I went and looked in the mirror. My face has different plans, so we gonna film a damn makeup tutorial. We gonna cover that shit up. I'm trying to do something really summery. I'm 18, but I feel like I look like I'm 14 without makeup on. So today we're actually gonna start off with a little Zit No More. This stuff has actually been my go-to from Better Skin Co. It has like tea tree oil. It works pretty quick for me. Like, it really calms it down. I'm gonna show you guys how I go from this to this. Okay, so I am still obsessed with the Fenty foundation brush. Okay, this is an amazing brush. Yeah, I don't use the Fenty foundation anymore because I'm not sure. I started to break out a lot while I was using it. Basically all summer long I've been obsessed with the Too Faced Peach Perfect foundation, and I am in the shade light beige, but yeah, I kind of just squirt it like that. Also, with how much product that comes in these Peach Perfect foundations, it's pretty good. Like, I still feel like I have a good amount left, and I got this back in April, I think. Like, did the knot just blend in so nice and naturally? Alright, and now with the same concealer I've been using since I came out of the freaking womb, the NARS Creamy Concealer in Custard. Alright, and now we're gonna set that foundation and concealer with my holy grail translucent powder, you guys. The Derma Blend translucent powder. Now I'm gonna remove that from my lips. Now I'm gonna do my eyebrows. Just to make sure it's not too bold looking, I just scruff it out. I haven't done my eyebrows in a while because I feel like when you have bangs, it's just easier to like go without not doing eyebrows. But whenever I do my eyebrows, at first I'm like, whoa, they look dark. But then I like get more into it as I go. That was the Precisely My Brow Pencil by Benefit. And then I'm gonna set my eyebrows with a 24-hour brow setter. Alright, I'm gonna start my eyes by going into my favorite Urban Decay Born to Run eye palette. And this has been my favorite palette lately, you guys. Can we talk about this? Oh, yeah, I'm gonna go in with this Still Shot, and I'm gonna put that all in my crease. This fluffy brush. And I'm really making sure I get it in the inner corner part of my crease. It looks so pretty with blue eyes. Oh my gosh. It's all about that blend, girl. Alright, I think I got enough of that color there now, and I'm gonna go in with that color right next to it. Baja. That's right here. Ooh. I'm gonna bring that out here. Alright, and now I'm gonna go take this color next to Still Shot, Riff. I'm just gonna take my finger and just put that on my lid. Alright, and then I'm gonna go back to the original brush with the pink on it. The Baja again. Just make sure the color is nice and rich. Alright, and then I'm gonna take a little tiny brush like this one, and I'm gonna take the Baja, the orange, and I'm gonna put that all over my bottom lash line. Anastasia Modern Renaissance palette. I'm gonna take the Primavera Gold. This is still like my favorite gold color. And now we're this Tarte eyeliner out. I have never tried this, but hopefully it works because I want to do a bold look today. But this is the Man Eater one by Tarte. Now I'm gonna put this Milk Kush mascara on. Alright y'all, this is about to be crazy because I'm gonna put some huge lashes on, but I got mascara on my face, so I'm gonna go wipe that off with a Q-tip and get my lashes on off camera. But they are gonna be these ones from Black Magic. These are the one's called Norella. And we back. Oh wait, I forgot to do the beauty hack, guys. If you ever get mascara on your skin, just wait till it dries and then get a Q-tip and then just kind of like roll it like that, and it will come off without smudging it too bad. It's like the worst kind of spot. It works really easy with the tiny ones up here. And I'm gonna go with the bronzer, and I'm gonna be using this Tarte Park Avenue Princess, or Park Ave Princess. It looks just like this, and I haven't really used this much, so. Oh, and I'm using the Kat Von D contour brush, and it is amazing. I think this is a pretty good shade for my skin tone. Make sure you never take the contour line too low. That's what I had to learn when I first started doing makeup. I put my contour line like way too low, but it should be right underneath your cheekbones. I like to make sure I keep the bronzer just on the top half of my cheek and like avoid getting it anywhere down here. Nose contour. Now I'm gonna go in with the blush, and for the blush I think I'm going to use Peaceful Blush by Tarte. Alright, now the best part, highlighter. Guys, I'm sorry for the shadows. I kind of have my lights set up a little weird, and the viewfinder I'm noticing like little shadows on my face, and it's kind of throwing me off, so I hope it's not throwing you guys off. But for the highlighter, I'm going to use the Ofra Pillow Talk. Alright, and then I'm going to take this little baby Real Techniques brush for my highlighter. I love using this tiny brush. I'm going to do my inner corners. I'm going to use this matte lipstick from Urban Decay, and it is in the shade Comfort. Alright, and then I'm actually going to go back with the highlighter on my Cupid's bow. Alright guys, and that is the complete look. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, give it a big thumbs up for me please. Maybe write a request in the comments for which video you would like to see of mine next. I post a video every Monday and Thursday, so I'll always be taking video requests. And yeah, I love you guys so much, and I hope that you have an amazing rest of the week. Give this video a like and subscribe to my channel if you enjoyed this video and would like to see more from me. And also hit that little bell button so that you get notifications every time that I post. And yeah, bye guys.